All right, in this video, I'm gonna punch out the holes to my gusset so I could stitch. I don't pierce the leather. This leather that I work with is very thick, so it's not like it's cloth that I pierce the leather when I'm stitching. I have to punch out all the holes, and I gotta make sure all the holes are correctly positioned, because one little hole will mess up the whole entire bag, and sometimes you don't even realize that until the bag is formed. So what I do here is actually probably one of the most important parts of my briefcase making. So I'm using a regular mallet, and I'm using just a chisel, that punches out, that pushes, that makes holes so I could stitch later. Alright, so these are my holes. Now to make it easier when I join this to other parts of the briefcase, I am not piercing leather, I'm just pushing the needle through. So that's one gusset, one side.